Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Valora Wallet. The Valora Wallet does not use a traditional password system. Instead, it relies on your PIN and recovery phrases for security. So in order to change your PIN on Valora Wallet, go ahead and open up the Valora application from your mobile device and sign into your wallet. From the home page of Valora, click on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Under the gear button, tap on Security and Privacy. Now click on Change PIN since your PIN is your password for Valora Wallet. Enter your current PIN that you are using for your wallet and create a new one on the next page. Re-enter your PIN once again to confirm, and then you will be able to change your PIN or password for Valora Wallet. So that is how you easily change your PIN on Valora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.